2019 Subaru Forester. We're going to change the cabin filter. So here's something interesting, right? We're at Walmart and we're going to go to Subaru and 2019 Forester 2.5 air filters, and the only brand it says is K&N, which I'm not going to buy a K&N, but it's 5064, and if you go 5064, it's not even over here. So 50 like runs out over here, right? All right, we're at a different store. We're looking for Subaru OPQ RS. Subaru, and we're looking for 2019, and we're looking for the Forester, which is gonna be right here, Forester. And here we have the cabin filters is 150 40p, and then I guess STP is 150 40M. So that's what we're looking for. The air filter they have is the 525, so STP. All right, let's go get it. All right, so the cabin filter, that's the number, and we had to come to the dealership. Cost a little bit more than AutoZone. AutoZone took a day to get. We want to replace it now. All right, here we go. We're going to change the cabin filter. First things first, right over here, pull that out. Then I believe you just squeeze this in and it drops down. So that's kind of easy. Cool. Now here we have the two clips where you pull it out. Not too bad. It's a little dusty. Alright, so the only thing you have to remember, it says up in the little arrow, and then we push it in and it snaps on right there. Then this little hook, squeeze it a little bit, it's in, and this last part, pull this and snap it over. And that's it. Nice and easy. So that's it. We changed the cabin filter and the air filter. You know, you want to do that every once in a while. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. Every little bit helps. Have a great rest of your day.